Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making a delicious and nutritious dessert perfect for any occasion, Broken Wheat Jaggery Kheer. Let's get started. Let's start by soaking the rinsed broken wheat in some water for around 30 minutes. Then transfer that into a pressure cooker, add around 2 cups of water and cook it till it becomes soft and mushy. Now into a large pan, add some ghee, fry some cashew nuts, coconut pieces and some raisins. Once it turns into golden brown, keep that aside. Add some more ghee into the same pan and add the cooked broken wheat. Saute it for some time. Add some melted jaggery into it and cook the broken wheat in jaggery syrup for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then lower the heat and add some coconut milk. And boil it for around 5 minutes. Now add some cardamom powder and dried ginger powder, which gives a nice flavor for this kheer. Finally, add the fried cashew nuts and raisins. You can serve it warm or chilled. That's it. Our delicious broken wheat jaggery kheer is ready. Try it and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more recipe videos. Thank you for watching.